So what's up mga ka-wonder? Today's episode, papalupad kitang drone. So pasensya na kamo kung maring asa kay kaditang amyaw nag-aaya dira. So kay baga uy ikamsi okay lang. So bago kita magpalupad, check kanin natin sa surroundings kung may daba mga kalapati, so first ngay nga ton ngay gaano i-go on phone controller ba, controller or drone. So drone ani taton siya ngay go on 1 2 saka press tas sangalong press. So di lang kita ma-sound trip kay maka-copyright kita. So next drone lewatan natin controller. So adi ubos sa niya joystick counter dito. Sana klaro takbo si Sano. Adi may nag-drag grinder tam sapit. Pipintas ko lang So danay saka magpalupad na aroyahin authorization. So kung gusto magpa drone shot dida, so niya i-connect yung lote, yung property, i-message lang ako. So nakuha didi authorization. Home point updated. Pero diri pa kita makakakuha kay makikita ni authorization zone. So click ito natin nga tulo. Pero danay tak problem hini. Diri dahil niya na allow. So adi naka-wonder nat ginhimo aton lagin restart na at controller. Tapos take off permitted na iya. So sige, take off kita.
Take off. Home point updated.
Pack your bag, we're hitting the road. Searching flavors where the stories are told. From street food stalls to the high-end halls. Every bite's a journey, every taste enthralls. Go wander far, go wander wide. With every step there's a world to collide. Drone shots soaring over mountain skies. Traveling flavors that
Stop recording. Tapos sabi na picture kita. Para may di kita mapopost na.
golden sunsets in a bustling square. Sipping coffee,
Record lang natin. Kuha na choose natin ng camera.
forks and knives, or
Itaso natin.
we share.
Yeah, let's go. Sana rin kalapati.
In the open air. Go wander far, go wander wide. With every step there's a world to collide. Drone shots soaring over mountain skies. Traveling flavors that mesmerize. Waves crash down where the oceans greet.
Yung ada na strudom.
Cobblestone paths beneath our feet. With every shot, the world feels near. Capturing stories year by year.
Ang minitsagkan area ka wonder.
Go wander far, go wander wide. With every step, there's a world to collide. Drone shots soaring over mountains.
High school.
flavors that mesmerize. Go far, go wide. With every step,
Natin
there's a
mabalik.
world to collide.
Ako ang pangandot ng balik na gano'n damo.
Over mountain skies,
Di din niya may pikas.
mesmerize.
Pikas. Villa Francisco. Villa Amor. Villa Amor. Rapid. Kalipayan na ito. Kalipayan. So, adi.
Pack your bag, we're hitting the road. Searching flavors where the stories are told. From street food stalls to the high-end halls, every bite's a journey, every taste enthralls. Ka-wonder far, ka-wonder wide.
So, pabalikan ta naka-wonder.
Every step, there's a world to collide.
Balik na kita ha. Ilong. So, patry na natin pag hand catch.
Traveling flavors that mesmerize.
So, ilagay ka na di.
Golden sunsets in a bustling square. Sipping coffee with the locals
Alright.
who care.
So, pag hand catch,
And knives or hands we share.
mamove kita nga di.
Moments of laughter in the
Dong,
open
kamsi.
air. Ka-wonder far, ka-wonder wide. With every step, there's a world to collide. Drone shots soaring over mountain skies.
Landing.
Wow. So, alright ka-wonder.
Crash down where the ocean's green.
Kung nakikita ka pena, thank you for watching and follow for more.